After under the hood inspection, so I'm starting my circle check. So now I'm starting my circle check. First of all, I'm going inside. I'm going inside and put my key in on position and turn on all the lights, give the left signal and pick up my hammer from here. Okay. Coming to the front, starting from the top, sir. My vent deflector looks good, no damage to my vent deflector, and my student driver sign present on my sun visor. All my clearance light is working properly, and both windshields, sir, windshield looks good, no chip, no rock, anything like that. And my wiper blade, sir, my wiper blade, sir, my wiper blade in the rest position right now, and all my four mirrors, sir, looks good, and cross mirror also looks good, and hood condition looks good, no damage to the hood condition. Sir, come to the front grill looks good, no damage to the grill. Moose bumper also, sir, looks good, no nut and bolt missing to my moose bumper. Now my moose bumper, sir, I have my license plate, it's clean, valid and secure properly. Sir, now come to the light. Sir, you see the marker light is working, both low beam light is working, and left signal is working. Sir, I can show you later during the, I can show you high beam after. Sir, in the bottom, there is no any leakage under my tractor. Overall condition of my tractor is good. So now starting from the side, sir, cross mirror looks good, sir, no damage, no nut and bolt missing. Hood, latch closed proper, no. Sir, hood is latch is closed proper. I already mentioned the tire under the hood inspection. Sir, left signal is working proper. Sir, window glass is good, CV sticker is valid, I already mentioned before. Sir, my flat mirror and my convex mirror looks good. No damage to my mirror, no nut and bolt missing, sir. Sir, gross weight is 46,500, air weight is 7,300 kg. And door opening and closing good. So now, under my pedal, sir, there is no obstacles. I have my fire extension, emergency triangle and first aid kit present inside. So rest I can mention you during the in-cab inspection. I already checked the paperwork also. Okay, sir. Now my def tank, sir, cap is tied properly. No damage to my def tank, sir. No leakage on the ground. No nut and bolt missing, sir. Overall condition is good. Footstep also good, sir. Now checking my fuel tank, sir. Both strap looks good, sir. No nut and bolt missing to my strap, and no leakage. Fuel tank, sir. Cap is tied properly, and I have enough fuel for the tractor. Sir, no any leakage on the ground too, sir. Okay, now I'm going back. Both windshield, sir, both window glass looks good. Student driver sign is present. Sir, my airlines and my electrical line is connected properly. No leakage, sir. So now, sir, my frame condition good, and my cross member looks good. Sir, cab filter, cab airbag looks good, no damage. And my transmission, sir, my transmission looks good, no damage to my transmission, and drive shaft also looks good. Sir, catwalk is present. Under my catwalk, I have my battery box, sir. Sir, battery box is good. Sir, footstep is good, sir. No nut and bolt missing. And all my air tank connected properly, sir. No damage. And sir, no moisture in my tank. Yeah. Okay, sir. Now I'm checking my differential, sir. Differential condition good. Both air lines and brake chamber looks good. No damage to my brake chamber, sir. My torque arm looks good. Now checking, sir, this is fifth wheel railing, no nut and bolt missing to my fifth wheel railing. My shock absorber also no nut and bolt missing. Both U-bolts are connected properly. And my S-cam and my slack adjuster looks good. Sir, inside my dust cover and drum looks good, no rocks are also. Inside wall of my tire is good. There is no bubble, no cut, sir, no damage. Sir, my fender, no nut and bolt missing to my fender. Okay, sir, now I'm checking my tire. Sir, I have enough air pressure on my tire. Tread depth is more than 1.6. Checking between my rim is attached proper, sir. No rock between my rim. Sir, again outside wall of my tire is good. And also my rim condition good. No damage to my rim, sir. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. Also my axle nut is tied proper. Sir, no leakage. And stem ball present on both tires, sir. And cap is tied proper. Sir, now checking my fifth wheel. Sir, handle is out. You see the sliding pin is locked proper. Railing is good, sir. No nut and bolt missing to my railing. And enough grease on my fifth gear. Sir, checking my airbag here. Airbag and my leaf spring. Leaf spring and my leaf spring hanger looks good. No nut and bolt missing, sir. Again checking this both tire. Sir, both air pressure. I have enough air pressure on my tire. Tread depth is more than 1.6. Checking rim, sir. Rim condition good, sir. No attached properly. No rock between my tire. Sir, inside wall and outside wall of my tire is good. There's no bubble, no cut, sir. And rim condition good. No crack on my rim. Sir, checking all my lug nut is tight proper. No missing. And my axle nut is tight proper, sir. No leakage and stem ball present on both tires. Sir, coming to the back. Sir, mud flap and my mud flap hanger and mud flap is good. Reflective tape present, sir. Sir, again my shock absorber, leaf spring, sir. Both U-bolt and dust cover is good. No damage, sir. No rock. And airbag condition is good on both airbags. Sir, my differential and torque arm and both brake chamber looks good. Sir, no damage. Overall frame is good condition, sir. And my cross member looks good. Sir, pintle hitch is locked proper. Both glad hand for LCV, sir, properly connected. Sir, and license plate we have on the front. We don't need the license plate on the back. Sir, now you see my left signal is working and my right tail light is working. Sir, this is my backup light. When I back up, then it's working. Sir, now I'm going to the front. Change the signal from left to the right, and same time, sir, I showed you my brake light. So give me 1 second. I'm coming back. Okay. So when you come here, so give the right signal and same time show the high beam and go inside. Pick up this guy and put it on spike here. Okay, then go again back. Okay. Sir, you see now my right signal working and my brake light is also working. So starting from this side, sir, mud flap is good, sir, and hanger is good. Reflective tape is present, no damage, sir. Checking this tire. Sir, both tire enough air pressure, tread is more than 1.6, sir, and no damage. Rim is attached proper, sir, no rock between my rim. Sir, both inside wall and outside wall of my tire is good. Checking the rim condition, sir, rim condition good, no crack, no damage to my rim. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. Axle nut is tied proper, sir, no seal leak. Stem ball present on both tires, sir. Again, sir, my leaf spring hanger and leaf spring brake chamber I already checked. Airbag also, sir, looks good, no leakage. Fender is good, sir, no nut and bolt missing to my fender. Checking this tire again, sir, enough air pressure and tread depth is more than 1.6 here. Rim is attached proper, sir, no rock between my rim. Inside wall and outside wall of my tire is good. Sir, no bubble, no cut, no damage. And sir, rim condition good, sir, no crack on my rim. All my lug nut is tight proper. Sir, no missing. Axle nut is also tight proper, sir. And stem ball present on both tires. Cap is tight properly, sir. Sir, again, fender is good, no damage, no nut and bolt missing. Overall condition is good here, sir. Frame also looks good. Sir, my exhaust system is under the tail here bottom and no leakage from my exhaust system. Checking my fuel tank, sir. Strap is good, sir. No nut and bolt missing also. Sir, fuel tank enough fuel for the trip and cap is tight, sir. No leakage on the ground. Overall condition of my tank looks good. Sir, again this side, full step is good. Bakelite is good, sir. And door opening closing on this side is good. School sign present, sir. Gross weight is present. Sir, flat mirror and convex mirror looks good. No damage. Sir, hood is already locked properly. Right signal is working, sir. I already mentioned the tire under the hood inspection. Sir, now you see I already on the high beam. My high beam is working, sir, and my right signal is working. One more time, sir. Give me 1 second. I can go inside. I can show you my hazard light. So when I come here, I can turn off my high beam and turn on my lights and cancel the signal, remove everything and put on my 4B. Okay sir, now one more round sir. You see my both high beam is working properly. Sir, coming on the back with me. You see sir, my 4-way working on the back too. Sir, everything is done. So now my under the hood inspection is done. Okay.